Yeah,
Check.
thank you so much, Aditya, for coming. And can you tell me more about you? Where are you from, and what work you do?
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Darshan bhai, for calling me. And I'm really grateful that I am with you and sharing my experience. Basically, I'm from a northeast part of our country, and I'm from Tripura, and from a capital city of Agartala. So basically, for my background, I right now I am an advocate and I'm practicing GST and looking after clients, and that's all day to day life. And also, I'm a sitar player. So yeah, uh,
Oh, that's nice. So, how much return or profit are you making every month from using our trading strategy?
actually, to be very honest, uh, profits are not that something which I will tell. I will just tell that every month or every 2 months, 3 months, the profits are total sum of like wins, losses, and everything. So profits are always coming in. So if I want to give you a figure, because 6 महीने में ही फिगर आता है, और अगर आप उस 6 महीने के फिगर को देखोगे तो ऐसा नहीं होगा कि हर महीने उतना ही आता है। तो किसी महीने आप 2% बनाते हो, किसी महीने आप 10% बनाते हो, किसी महीने आप 5% बनाते हो। तो अगर मैं आपको एक एवरेज फिगर बताना चाहूँगा तो वो मैं बता सकता हूँ, बट एग्जैक्टली इतना प्रॉफिट कभी नहीं होता है
Okay,
कि
so
भाई
let's say on
मैंने।
a year-on-year basis, if you want to share.
Yeah, so on a year-on-year basis, 20-25% return on an average.
Nice.
The strategy is really working and it's getting good returns.
Yes. And how much time do you spend on trading every day?
Very less time because the strategies which I've learned are very much systematic. So I don't have to look at my charts all the time. I just look at once or twice or when my alarm beeps, and that's all.
Oh, that's
That
nice.
works. That
So,
helps a lot.
one more thing is that people have a lot of questions that Darshan, I'm a beginner. I don't have that sort of trading knowledge. So, do
Mhm.
you require a knowledge of using this trading strategy, or even a beginner can also execute this trading strategy?
It's very simple to execute. Just as I said before, like it takes very less time. So the strategies used are very simple because it's like 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So similarly, you can do basic maths and just simply execute it. Very simple strategies. You don't have to use a lot of indicators. You don't even have to use indicators. You can just simply use candlesticks and can decide what is your next move. So I am very happy because it's taking less time. And yes, a beginner can do it as it's very user friendly.
So, how was your experience in this mentorship, and what did you like the most about it?
Experience was really good, and the best thing which I liked about is simplicity. And the second best thing I liked about was the comfort zone in which I wanted to learn. So I think these two factors has played a huge role, and I was actually looking for something like this only. And you must be knowing that I myself am trading and for a long time, but after looking finding out something simple, and it really helped me. So yes, it helped in two major aspects. One is being comfortable, and the other is being simplicity.
So before you joining, you told me that you are into the option buying. Then you are basically doing the over trading as well. So you don't
Mm-hmm.
have the clear picture in your mind that what you have to
Mm-hmm.
trade and what you have to do. After
Mm-hmm.
basically joining in, and I think it's more than a year or something, right? Uh,
Mm-hmm.
what is the basically major change or shift that you have seen in you, right? Because earlier it's a discretionary trader doing a lot of basically trades and all, and now you
Mm-hmm.
become a systematic trader doing
Mm-hmm.
everything rule based, properly precise. What is
Mm-hmm.
basically a change now?
I think the change is very significant. Why I will tell you, because previously I used to think in terms of support, resistance, candlesticks, chart patterns, and all that stuff. Now I don't think like that. I think more of a systematic trader, because if your system is given performance in the last 5 years, May it be 10% returns, 20%, 30%, 40%, does not matter. If it's giving returns, then statistically it's proven that if it's giving return in the last 5 years, then it is bound to give return in the next year or the next year. So there is a major shift in my thinking perspective because I know the numbers. Even if I am making losses, I am comfortable because I know somewhere down the line it's going to be in my favor because the strategies are designed in such way, and markets cannot be in sideways move or trending move all the times. So basically, it comes into my favor. So there is a significant change. I am into much more uh, confidence has increased a lot because I know the numbers, and secondly is I
Basically, the
feel much more
statistical
comfortable
edge
and
you have, the statistical edge and the rules that you
yeah,
have, that
yes,
okay, what you have to do next. There's no thinking
yes,
in between.
yes. Matlab, it's simple, like your thinking stops. So in trading, you think a lot. So when you eliminate the part of thinking, then there is nothing in trading. It's just simply buy and sell. So that's
Yes.
a very, very important change I have seen in me.
So, would you recommend this program to others? And if yes, why?
I will definitely recommend. It's not because I am giving you a testimonial, but I will definitely recommend because of the person you are,
Oh, thank you
because
so
of
much.
you, because of you being really helpful. It's not about the money. It's not about this thing. It's because how you have treated the people. It's how you teach what you actually know. There are so many people who does not teach what they know, and they want to make their money. So you have taken money, but at the same time you have delivered uh, generational wealth. If someone could do what you have said, so it can deliver generational wealth. So I would definitely recommend someone that you should at least try. You should at least attend the classes and then see for yourself how it's going to be. I will definitely recommend, and that's all.
Yeah. So, one or two last question is that some people say that your fees is too high. You don't have that much of social media presence and all this.
Mm.
Your price is too high. Matlab, you, I think might be you also have some sort of thinking earlier before. Now you have
Mm-hmm.
joined, you have paid. It's almost a more than a
Mm-hmm.
year or something. What do you want to
Mm-hmm.
say about that?
See, basically the thing is, you always have to pay the prices if you want to earn money when it comes to trading. I will give you an example. It's not because I paid you money or I have a lots of money. It's because it's the real genuine thing right now. If you are a doctor, if you are a lawyer, if you are an engineer, if you are whatever you are, you have to invest in your education, right? So like you have to invest in your education, then you had to do internships, you had to do a lot of stuffs to have a particular degree or a particular job. So stock market is similarly the same because in stock market also you need to invest a lot. It's not about the high fees. See, I have already done so many courses before I have joined you, but I wanted to learn. I was looking for something. So people who actually want to learn, for them, I don't think so. Fees will matter a lot because ultimately it's a game-changing moment. Because if you have just discovered something which can multiply your money every year, what else you need? Because you pay the fees one time. You don't pay fees every year or every month or every week. You pay the fees one time. So if you just pay fees one time and you can learn the way you multiply your money every year, I think it's always worth it because you can recover your money very soon, whatever you
Yes.
have paid. So that's all.
Completely agree with you. So I get a lot of queries that I myself is claiming that I give you a personal support or something, and I will
Mm-hmm.
connect personally through the mentorship and after the mentorship as well. And
Mm-hmm.
I know a lot of mentor. They tell the similar way, but once the training is complete, after that they don't know the students. They don't share the private number and all, and they don't give the support as well. I just want to tell
Mm-hmm.
you that do you get a full support from my side whenever you want,
Mm-hmm.
uh, and anything, or do you have any complaint about us that yeah, this is the thing that you haven't shared with us or something?
Yeah, definitely. I think if that was a scenario, then maybe I wouldn't have recorded this testimonial because it's been more than a year I have
Yes.
learned from you. So that is the example. Like you did not left me, or we were always in touch even after
Yes, yes, it is not about
we
something that you have
started.
paid me. now my job is over. See, I can do that if I want to do. You have paid
Yes,
me
yes,
now.
absolutely.
Now I don't have any other another course or something to pitch you,
Correct.
or not
True.
anything that I want interest from you, right? It is just something
True.
still I'm connecting with you on a maybe in a month or so we had a word that okay, how are you, what are you doing, anything update.
Yes.
And the best part about is that I don't want people to just learn my trading strategy, learn from
Okay.
me, then build your own trading strategy, right, based on your
True. True.
psychology, based on your feelings, or based on your mindset and all this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because I myself know this thing, might be your research in something and you know that's that much of thing, you can build your own trading strategy and that might be can better than me, and I'll guide in that way as well.
Very true, very true, and that's what I will. I always appreciate that. I've been into many mentored sessions, and so I did not find someone like you because it's not like I am exaggerating, but it's the true thing. Like I have always been in touch with you. We are very very comfortable when we have always spoken. It's not about trading also. It's about everything. We always checked upon me not being so much responsive, but you have always been that person. Like you have always asked. It's not about the course. It's also
Yes.
after the course what matters. And I think it's very nice. Till today, it's been more than 1.5 year, I think, or almost 2 years that we have
Yes.
connected. So I think this testimonial is the proof of that.
Yes.
And I think I still have a screenshot where I paid you the fees. So I still have that. So if anybody asks, you can show that proof as well.
No, no, no. We totally trust you. And so the last question is on a rate of 1 to 10, what the rate that you want to give us?
Uh, one being the highest or 10 being the highest?
Basically, the 10 become the highest.
10 becomes the highest. So basically, if I want to be very honest, I will definitely give a 9.5. And zero point 0.5 is not because of that. It's
Yeah.
because
I
I really
still
liked
I
everything about it.
lot of thing that we
Yeah.
also have to improve. It's not that something
Yes.
that we are perfect.
Yes. Nobody is perfect. So, yes, 9.5, I think, honest review. Yeah,
Thank
I
you.
could have given 10, but I think zero point 0.5 is something which I've held it back. But
Sure.
9.5 is something which I will tell because everything is covered. And I'm
Yes.
so happy after this. And I am getting so much of results. That's the reason why. Because if I give 10, nobody will believe me. It
Yes.
will all
Yes.
feel like it's just like got a
Exaggerating or
testimonial.
something. But
Got a testimonial. So I don't want to give false feedback or something. 9.5 is the rating I would like to give it.
perfect. Thank you so much, Aditya, for joining us, and thank you so much
Yeah.
for share the wonderful insight. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.